Hi guys and welcome. If you want to buy your first cryptocurrency in this video, you're going to find out how to make that in 3 small steps. So before I've started to show you how you can buy your first Bitcoin or cryptocurrency from the list of available cryptocurrencies on the platform, I want to say that our team compared a lot of platforms and exchanges, and we found a great one for you. We believe that this platform is the best, and that's why I want to share it with you, and we left the link in the description panel of this video so you can easily find that link and jump straight to the platform, and it's absolutely free. So first step is to pass the registration in this platform. So you're pressing the registration, and you need to provide the platform with your email or password and password, and you can make it with mobile phone also, so as you want. I already created the account, and I created a totally new account just to show you which steps you will need to pass. So the first step is to pass the registration. I will not show it to you because it's very simple and easy, and I want to make this video as short as possible, not to waste your time. So let's jump straight into the platform. We're in, and you see the list of available cryptocurrencies that you want to buy. You see a lot of buttons up there. You probably may think that buy crypto is the second step, but it's not. The second step is to take care about the security issues and to a little bit improve security of your account, and the platform itself will say to you that security level of your account is absolutely low, and please enable one more security feature. So you need to switch on the two-factor authentication to keep your money safe and to keep your cryptocurrency safe. So you can choose it's gonna be phone verification or Google verification. I'm gonna skip this this step just to show you. Of course it takes some time, but you also can use the YubiKey or other device, the physical key, to your account. You can set up it straight from the security, and you need to switch on the couple things. So you need to also provide the platform with your ID. So you need to pass the identity verification. I'm gonna skip this step also for the moment. And a little bit later you'll understand that this is a big mistake, because the reason you will understand just in a couple seconds. Let's jump to the main page. So the first step is to pass the registration. The second step is to improve all your security and ID issues. And then you're gonna be able to buy crypto straight from here. You can press buy now, or you can choose the asset that you want to buy here, or you can view more markets. Let's do like that. And this is actually this markets button. So you have all the BNB markets. BNB is the token of Binance platform. BTC markets, everything that's connected to BTC, all the currency pairs, altcoin markets, and fiat markets actually. As a fiat currency, this platform uses USDT. This is Tether, the stable coin, and if you know nothing about the cryptocurrency in general and the blockchain technology, definitely you need to take a look at this academy, because there's tons of educational materials for yourself, and you can learn more about the blockchain technology and about the tokens itself. So let's jump over the buttons. Wallet, this is pretty clear. It's a wallet. Here's the overview, and all your financial results, all the results of your trading will be available here. Fiat and spot, this is actually the button which you're gonna use to deposit or withdraw funds. Orders, this button keeps all your history, all the actions that you'll make on the platform with any orders will be available here. And markets I showed you. Trade, we're gonna jump to this section a little bit later. Derivatives and finance. So the step number 3 is to actually buy crypto, and there's a couple ways: the bank deposit with a Swift bank transfer, it's actually not bad, but you need to remember that Swift bank transfers are like tough things, and it can take up to a couple days to fulfill your account. Credit and debit card, this is the best way, and we're gonna use it. P2P trading and third-party payment, it's actually for not for newcomers. So the best way and most convenient is to use the credit or debit card. Also, you can switch the currency that you want to buy. You can make it straight here, or you can make it also here. There's a list of available currencies, local currencies, and if you didn't found the currency of your country, it's okay. There are not all of them, not all of the countries connected here, and not all the currencies, so you can make your first deposit up to $5,000. And how to buy Bitcoin, that's how to buy Bitcoin. Just type it in, amount of money that you want to spend to buy Bitcoin. You need to confirm payment details, complete 3DS safety certification, and complete the payment actually. You can switch also to other cryptocurrencies that you want to buy, BUSD, Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano, and so on, and USDT, Tether, the stable coin also, and BUSD is also stable coin, so Ethereum, Ripple, any cryptocurrency. So how to buy Bitcoin, that's how you can buy Bitcoin. You just choosing it from the list, and that's it. New card, you see, I told you already that this is absolutely blank account and there's no deposit here. But interesting thing, the reason that I've told you previously, you need to pass all the identification, because if you will not pass it, the platform will not allow you to make the purchase without the identification, because this platform is absolutely legal. It works according to all the laws of the United States, and that's why it need to make sure that you're not a criminal, that you're not a scammer, and so on. And that's why you need to provide the platform with your ID. I will not also verify this account, because this account created specially to show you the steps that you will need to pass. And that's pretty easy. As I told you, 3 steps. I promise to provide you with the 3 steps, and I will show you the trade also. This is very important, so wait for it. The first step is to find the link in the description panel and pass the registration. The second step is actually to take care about the security and your ID. And third step is to buy cryptocurrency from the list and straight from your credit or debit card. So I want to show you also the dashboard of trading. So you can convert one cryptocurrency to another straight from here, and it's really easy. And the best way, actually it's not the cheapest way, let's be honest, and the best way is to use classic or advanced features. Margin and P2P is more for pros, and that's why I'm not showing you all the derivatives and finance. So let's jump to classic interface, and I'm gonna show you what's happening here. Here in the top left corner, you see the currency pair that you're trading on. You see the market, actually BTC and USDT. You can change this market here in the list of markets. You can find any available currency pair that you have, any token to any token. There's fiat, altcoins, and all things that you saw in this market. You see all the graph, all those candlestick bars, and so on. And if you don't need this information, actually you can skip it. Here you have the current price, all the orders for sell, and all the orders for buy that happened on the platform in this specific market. So all the information, 24-hour change, it's plus 3% for now, for the moment. And how actually to buy. If you're a newcomer, it's better to use this spot trading. Do not use this cross and isolated, because it's about leverage, it's about shoulders and so on, and definitely you don't need to use this if you're a newcomer, if you new human being in the cryptocurrency world and you know nothing about the cryptocurrencies. do not use cross and isolated. You better use better to use the spot. Limit, market, and stop limit. What does it mean? I will show it to you. Limit. You see 56,871, and this price is now higher than the current price. So you can limit your price, and for example, I want to buy my Bitcoin for $56,000, yeah, or USDT or Tethers. But this price is lower than the current price for now, and my order will not be executed at the same time. My order will be executed at the time when the price will be the same on the market. But the best and the fastest way to buy cryptocurrency is to use spot and use market price, and that means that your order will be executed at the same moment with the current price on the market. But limit option can save you some money but can take some time, and the market price is the best and fastest. So that's pretty it, guys. If you want to buy Bitcoin fast and easy and without an extra efforts, and if you want to be sure that nothing's gonna happen with your funds, with your money, definitely you need to use the most reliable platform in the market, and it's Binance for sure, no doubt, and it has the lowest fees around the market, and actually there are tons of benefits of this platform. And as I promised you to make this video as short as possible, I will not describe all the benefits of this platform, but believe me, it's very convenient, it's very powerful, and it's very, very safe, and it's absolutely legal. What's important. So that's all. I hope this all makes sense. I hope you you get an idea of how to buy Bitcoin, and really you can make it in minutes. So you can count on this platform definitely, because it's best at my own opinion. Thank you so much. I want to remind you that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, and if you want to jump to this platform, and it's absolutely free, so use that link, and it can be a convenient way to buy your first cryptocurrency in your life. I wish you big profits. Do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, of course, and take care. Have a great day, and bye-bye. See you in the next video.